Good afternoon, everyone. Philip from Black Bull Markets. Hope you guys are doing well. Just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys how I sort of use different currency pairs to sort of help me to analyze the markets as well. Putting them sort of together to analyze a certain chart or two charts. So what are we taking through? I'll just be showing you the pound dollar. So this has been on a massive downwards move since this was on April. So we had this double top over here that we were looking at, and then it had this just kept going from there. So I'll show you guys, if you guys are want to have a bit more of a, how can I say, a bit more of an edge on the market. I'll just show you how to use another currency pair as well that I found works pretty well with the pound dollar, just to kind of show you how to get a bit of an edge on it. So you can see this is a daily bar chart on the pound dollar. Like I said, we've got this big move to the downside. So I'll just break this one down for you guys first, and then if you move on to the weekly, you can see it has actually sort of hit it's coming close to a support right over here on 1.28300. You can see it is getting quite close. So this is a key level for us we're looking at right now. Also offering previous supports back here in June 2016. And a bit of a resistance here in May of 2017 as well. You can see it has sort of come close to a resistance as well on November 2016. So this is a very strong level we're looking at as well for the pound. So now I'll take you over to the other chart. So the other chart that I'm going to be using to get sort of the edge on this is the euro pound. So the euro pound is, as we can see, is in had a strong move to the upside. So in other words, if I found out if the euro pound goes up, the pound dollar tends to go down. As you can see here, just on the euro pound, it has sort of gone past this resistance level that we had over here, and has not yet closed. So I mean, I'm looking for a close on this at the above the 0.89729 level. Also, this has offered a previous support area as well. Even though it made that big wick, you can see it did offer previous support here resistance here in September of 2016. And then obviously offering previous resistance levels as well in August 2017, around about February this year. And then there's another small resistance again in July this year. So it has sort of moved past it. So like I said, waiting for a close on the weekly above that. On the daily as well, you can see the candle still has not really closed above it. On the 4-hour, you can see we've had two closes. So that is the potential one we're looking at. And then after that, I'll look for a potential move to the 0.9247 level. So how I'm using this is this, like I said, if this one goes up, the other one tends to go down. So the other one, talking about the pound dollar, we'll go back to that again. So you can see it is. So you can see here the downtrend. This is the weekly, and then going back to the euro pound, you can see it has sort of made an up move. Not very strong, but it is still making that strong candle, 3 candles to the upside, almost a bit of like we can call this 3 crows or three brothers, if you guys are familiar with the candlestick analysis. So that's how I said, you're waiting for the close and then potential move to the upside for this one. And then hopefully if this one does continue to move up, we can see a potential continuation on the downside to the pound dollar as well. You can see also on the weekly, you can see it's a really strong downtrend. So I mean, a lot of new traders, especially for some reason, not too sure why, are trying to catch a reversal, which tends to be quite hard. I mean, some people do get it. They do manage to trade that properly, but I mean, it is a lot of the times it's hard to kind of catch a reversal rather than to join the trend. And not too sure why people are so focused on trying to catch these reversals. Like I said the other day, a couple of our big clients are looking at shorting this at the pound dollar as well. So I mean, it has got a lot of potential to the downside. And then obviously we got all these support, sort of, I call them stops along the way, which are just support levels. So we got 1.2689, and then also we got this really strong one over here, which I'm looking at is 1.21418, and then the ultimate I will look for bigger move to the downside once it does break this 1.2 level, roundabouts 1.2 level. So that is also again a very, very strong psychological level as well. Obviously, depending on how, if it's a hard Brexit or soft Brexit, we'll see what's going to happen as well. That could greatly influence it as well. Again, I'm not very too focused on the fundamental side of things, more on the technical side of things. So, but I mean, it can influence it very strongly as well, as it has done previously. You can see in the previous Brexit as well. So that's just a bit of another interesting way of analyzing the market. You can also do this with other currency pairs, but I decided just to show you guys how to do it on the pound dollar using the euro pound at the moment. So we'll see. Maybe it'll change as time comes. We'll have to sort of try and find another way to do it as well. But for the moment, for the time being, it is looking like it's working pretty well. So I mean, these two do run in opposite directions at the moment. So I'm using that at the moment to sort of help me with analyzing the charts a bit better. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Short and sweet video. If you guys did like it, please do give us a thumbs up. If you also click that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon to get notifications of whenever we do release new videos. And then also, if you guys want to get in contact with us, please do so. My contact details will be provided down below in the link, or sorry, the description of the video. Also, if you guys want to hop online at blackbullmarkets.com and click on the little green button that says live chat, we will be there to answer any questions you might have. Or if you prefer to email us, if that's a bit easier for you, please do so by emailing us at support@blackbullmarkets.com, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And from everyone here at Black Bull Markets, safe trading and enjoy the rest of your week. Thanks for watching.